Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the precise tools and protecting the movement. That prevents scratches and lost parts. Remove the battery or stop power, then lay the clock face down on a soft cloth to stabilize it. Next, use needle nose pliers or a hand puller to lift the second hand straight up. Steady pressure avoids bending. As you remove it, note orientation and any tiny washer or cap. This matters when you reinstall, because the fit and alignment determine how tight the hand will sit. Once the hand is off, inspect the cannon pinion closely. Look for wear, burrs, or a crushed taper. These cause looseness. If the pinion is simply loose, you can restore friction by very slightly opening the split in the pinion with a thin tool. Do this in tiny increments because small changes matter. Smooth any burrs with fine stone or strop, then press the second hand back on for a test fit. You want a gentle, consistent resistance so the hand moves but does not wobble. Carefully seat the second hand straight on the pinion. Use a small block or socket to press it evenly. Uneven pressure bends the hand. Reinstall any washer or cap, restore power, and observe the sweep for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm stability. Make fine adjustments to depth if the hand drags or contacts the dial. Troubleshooting tip: if wobble remains, replace the cannon pinion or add a thin 0.5 mm shim under the hub. That restores secure friction without distorting gears.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.